Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue heading south on Interstate 95 through Florida's Atlantic coast, beginning at mile marker 157. We enter the city of Fellsmere, which sounds like it belongs in a Harry Potter novel. But this real-life town in Indian River County had a population of 4,772 as of the 2020 census. Fellsmere is known for its rural charm and the annual Frog Leg Festival, which draws tens of thousands of visitors each January for carnival rides, live music, and of course, frog legs. Yuck. At exit 147, I-95 connects with State Road 60, leading east to Vero Beach and west toward Lake Wales in central Florida. Just off this exit, you'll find Indian River Mall, Riverside Theater, and a variety of shopping and dining options. Vero Beach itself had a population of 16,354 as of the 2020 census. It's a popular destination for its art galleries, botanical gardens, museums, and peaceful beaches along the Atlantic. We're now passing through the West Vero Corridor, a census-designated place with a population of 10,039 as of the 2020 census. The name refers to its position just west of the city of Vero Beach. This suburban area is made up of residential communities, many geared toward retirees, and includes several shopping centers and medical facilities along State Road 60. At mile marker 138, we cross into St. Lucie County, which had a population of 329,226 at the 2020 census. The county includes the cities of Fort Pierce and Port St. Lucie, and is part of Florida's rapidly growing Treasure Coast region. St. Lucie County is known for its uncrowded beaches, historic downtowns, and several events that attract visitors year-round, including the Sandy Shoes Festival, the Fort Pierce Oyster Festival, and the Treasure Coast Seafood Festival. We arrive at the St. Lucie County Rest Area located at mile 133 on the southbound side of I-95. This facility offers clean restrooms, shaded picnic areas, vending machines, and ample parking, making it a convenient stop for drivers headed through this stretch of Florida. We stopped here to use the facilities and clean the windshield. This concludes today's drive on I-95 South, covering the distance from mile 157 to mile 133. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.